From brainstorming to inspiration. How AI tools are changing the game. A creator staring at a blank screen, frustrated, stuck in a creative rut, spent hours brainstorming video ideas but still nothing clicks? Well, what if I told you that AI can now take you beyond just brainstorming to true inspiration? A fast-paced visuals of AI tools generating ideas, dynamic animations of keywords popping up. AI tools like ChatGPT, vidIQ, and Runway ML don't just suggest random ideas anymore. They analyze trends, your niche, and even your audience's preferences to generate video concepts that actually work. A creator using an AI tool, getting excited as ideas start flowing. Say goodbye to creative block. AI now offers mood-based storytelling, predictive analytics, and even custom-generated scripts. The best part, it helps you refine, enhance, and execute ideas with ease. There appears split screen. On the left, a struggling creator without AI. On the right, a creator using AI effortlessly. From YouTube to TikTok to Instagram Reels, AI tools are moving beyond simple brainstorming. They're now creative partners. Finally, creator confidently uploading a video. So, AI isn't replacing creativity, it's elevating it. So, are you ready to move from brainstorming to inspiration? Let AI spark your next viral idea. Immediate call to action. Try these AI tools now. Like, share, and subscribe for more content hacks.